In this video, we're going to look at the examples in the Chapter 10, Section 2 slides, and we're going to start off with this one. Solve the system of equations by the addition method, and our system of equations is two linear equations, x plus y equals 7 and x minus y equals 5. So going over to our paper, we can pretty quickly see that here are our two equations again, and all we really need to do is add the two equations. If I add these together, just add our like terms, we've got 2x, y minus y is 0, equals 7 plus 5 is 12. So 2x equals 12 means that x equals 6. Well, now that we know that x equals 6, we can plug that into either of the original equations and figure out what y should be. I'll use the first one. 6 plus y equals 7. If I subtract 6 from both sides, I get y equals 1. So the solution to this system of equations is 6, 1. Moving on back to our slides. We have the next system of equations, 2x plus y equals 7 and x plus y equals 3. So, first thing I'm going to do here, stop sharing. And here we go. We've got our system of equations, 2x plus y equals 7. X plus y equals 3, and this time I'm going to subtract. When I subtract here, I get x plus 0 equals 7 minus 3 is 4, so x equals 4. That's easy enough. Now I plug that again into either of my equations. I will use the second equation this time. 4 plus y equals 3. Subtract 4 from both sides of the equation, and I get y equals -1. So our solution is 4, -1. Back to our slides one more time. We've got this final equation. Solve the system of equations. 2x plus 3y equals 1. And 3x plus 4y equals 2. Well, in this case, we don't have something so obviously easy as just adding or subtracting the equations as they are, and we have to do a little more work to get where we want to go. I'm just going to finish this up and then double check to make sure I'm using the right methods. So solving the system of equations, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply my first equation by a negative, I'm going to go with -4 here, and I'll multiply my second equation by 3, which gives me two new equations, -8x minus 12y equals -4, and 9x plus 12y equals 6. And when I add these equations together, -8x plus 9x is x, -12x plus 12y is 0, equals -4 plus 6 equals 2. So x equals 2. Once I have that, and I'm afraid that this is going off the edge there, sorry about that. Once I have that information, I can now plug that x in to any of my equations. I will use 2x plus 3y equals 1. So that's 2 times 2 plus 3y equals 1. That's 4 plus 3y equals 1. So then if I subtract 4 from both sides, I have 3y equals -3, and clearly that means that y equals -1. So my solution is 2, -1. That's it for this set of slides. If you have any questions, please let me know.